Dear students, I start with lecture 35 of 101 and 102. Have a look on the exercise. Sin x upon pi minus x is x upon pi plus x square upon pi square minus pi square by 6 upon 6 pi cube x cube minus pi square minus 6 pi raised to 4 x4 and other terms. So just think that how to prove it. So before we proceed for this, I give you one identity in math, and that is one equation, that is 1 upon 1 minus theta is 1 plus theta square and other terms. So you should remember this forever. Or in other way, if it is 1 plus theta square and other terms, then think the geometric progression. તમે સમ ગુણોત્તર શ્રેણી વિચારો તો એનો સરવાળો શું થાય? a upon 1 minus r. એ છે ને, theta should not be 1 કારણ કે જો theta 1 થશે તો ઇન્ફિનિટિવ થઈ જશે અને અહીંયા છેદમાં 0 થશે. તો કરીએ આપણે આગળ answer. Left hand side means this side is sin x upon pi minus x this is equal to sin x into 1 upon 1 minus x upon pi. We have taken pi in common from this term. અને બીજું પણ એક ખરું કે આના જેવું ત્યાં ગોઠવાઈ ગયું છે. You can write also like this 1 minus theta raised to minus 1. તો એ પણ વર્ક કરશે. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon pi આ જે છે ને એ sin x નું મેક્લોરિન એક્સપાન્શન છે. તમે જાતે ગણતરી કરી જુઓ sin x માટે. અને 1 upon 1 minus theta તો આ 1 plus theta square theta cube અધર ટર્મ્સ છે. જોઈ જુઓ તો. Now we simplify that. This is equal to 1 upon pi x plus x square upon pi plus x cube upon pi square pi cube and other terms. I multiply this term by x, means x into 1 means x into x upon pi, so it is x square upon pi x into x square upon pi square means it is x square, x cube upon pi square, and x raised to 4 upon pi cube. Now I multiply this equation by x cube upon 3 factorial. So this is minus x cube upon 6. 3 factorial is 6. And the next term is minus x raised to 4 upon 6 pi. Now the next term is of x raised to 5. So I calculate it up to x raised to 4. જો આને મેં x થી ગુણાકાર કર્યો પછી x ક્યુબ નો ટર્મ છે. મારી ગણતરી મેં x raised to 4 સુધી રાખી છે કારણ કે મારે ત્યાં સુધીની ગણતરી જોઈએ છે. So it is like this. This is equal to one upon pi x square upon pi. અને આ રીતે લખવાનો ફાયદો એ છે ને કે તમે એક સાથે જ બધું લખી શકો. 1 upon pi square minus 1 upon 6 x cube 1 upon pi cube minus 1 upon 6 pi x raised to 4 and other terms. You think we have answer? Yes, we have. This is equal to x upon pi plus x square upon pi square minus pi square minus 6 upon 6 pi cube minus pi square minus 6 pi raised to 4 and other terms. આ કેવી રીતે છે? x upon pi 1 upon pi બહાર છે ને એને આપણે અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ. So it is x upon pi x square upon pi square. This is 6 minus pi square upon 6 pi square. અહીંયા તો એમાંથી આપણે માઈનસ નું સાઈન બહાર લઈ લીધું ને આ પાઈ એની સાથે ગુણાકાર થાય તો 6 pi cube થશે. The next term is 6 minus pi square upon 6 pi cube. માઈનસ નું સાઈન બહાર લીધું તો આ રીતે લખી શકાશે and therefore proved. જો તમે લખીને મારી સાથે ગણતરી કરતા હશો તો ચોક્કસ તમને આમાં વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે અને બહુ જ ઈઝી છે. One more sum on the board. Read this statement. Prove that x minus x cube upon 3 factorial sin x is less than x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial, where 0 less than x is less than 2 pi. Answer. We know that sin x equal to x minus x cube upon 3 factorial, x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial, x raised to 7 upon 7 factorial, x raised to 9 upon 9 factorial and other terms. આ છે ને છોકરાઓ, તમે મેક્લોરિન એક્સપાન્શન કરો તો તમને તરત મળી જાય f0. હવે હું અહીં બોલીશ એના કરતા તમે જાતે ગણતરી કરો. ઓકે, અને આ તમને મળશે. So this is sin x expansion. Keep in mind that 0 less than x is less than pi by 2. Sorry, 2 pi. And therefore, first we took sin x minus x cube upon 3 factorial. तो આ બંનેનો તફાવત લઈએ છે. We are taking the difference of both these terms. We have value of sin x is here, so this is equal to x raised to 5 factorial, x raised to 7 factorial, plus x raised to 9 factorial, minus x raised to 11 factorial and other terms. Then we took x raised to 5 common upon 7 factorial common from both these terms. So it is 6 into 7 minus x square. Yet it is x raised to 9 upon 11 factorial. So what we have? 10 into 11 minus x square and other terms. Here 0 less than x less than 2 pi implies 0 less than x square less than 42. હવે આ 42 એટલા માટે લીધા છે, અહીંયા છે 42, તો આ પોઝિટિવ થાય, this is 110. This is equal to x raised to 5 7 factorial 42 minus x square, x raised to 9 upon 11 factorial 110 minus x square and other terms. This is positive, all terms are positive, and therefore this is a business of positive terms, multiplication and addition of positive terms. Therefore this is positive, and therefore we have this term is positive, and therefore sin x is greater than x minus x cube upon 3 factorial. So we have half answer. I say this is equation number 1. Again we are doing the same, but just I do on the board. Therefore sin x minus So I want to prove that this is less than this term, so I took this difference, and therefore this is equal to minus x raised to 7, 7 factorial, x raised to 9, 9 factorial, minus x raised to 11, 11 factorial, x raised to 13, 13 factorial, and other terms. This is a formula and we are going to use it here. Minus x raised to 7 upon 9 factorial we have taken in common. So it is 8 into 9 minus x square. આ બંને પદ માટે છે, આ બંને ટર્મ માટે છે. Then I took minus x raised to 11 upon 13 factorial in common, so it is 11 into 12 minus x square and other terms. This is negative, this is positive. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive. This is negative, this is positive. So it's a business of negative terms, and therefore this is negative. Because this x square is never exceed than 42, means this is positive. This term is negative, means this some particular term is negative, and therefore sin x is less than x minus plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial. Combine both of these 1 and 2. 1 and 2 implies fruit. બંનેને કમ્બાઈન કરો એટલે તમારું જે પરિણામ જોઈએ છે એ તમને દેખાય છે. One more sum on the board. Expand e raised to x sin x x in r in the increasing power of x. And for that we are going to use the formula on the right hand side from successive differentiation. The formula is that y is equal to e raised to x sin dx plus c. Then yn equal to r raised to n e raised to x sin dx plus c plus n phi, where phi is tan inverse b by a and r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. So just think that which way we will going to use this formula to solve this sum. So I stop this lecture here, but I give you homework that solve this sum before next lecture. In the next lecture I will prove this sum and I will find the answer for the sum, but before that you have to do it by yourself. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.